River has been pumping quite hard recently and many people are watching it, but there are definitely some concerning things to be aware of before you buy. Token unlocks are coming up, rumors of short attacks, and more. We'll lay out the fundamentals, what the project is, and make sure you have a better idea of whether or not this coin is a risk worth taking. It's been showing real strength in early 2026 with some impressive gains, and looks like it's ready for more. Let's break it down with the most up-to-date data. Right now, River is trading at around 25 bucks, up nearly 20% in the last 24 hours and nearly 60% across the past week. It hit an all-time high of $41.40 just 4 days ago on January 14th before pulling back, and price action suggests it may very well continue further upwards at any moment. Market cap is around $496 million, with 24-hour volume at 66 million, showing just how much people are trading this thing. Circulating supply is 19.6 million tokens out of a max 100 million. River is a chain abstraction stablecoin protocol centered on SAT-USD, an over-collateralized stablecoin. The standout feature is the Omni CDP system. Deposit collateral like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or liquid staking tokens on one chain, such as Ethereum, and mint SAT-USD natively on another, like Base or BNB chain, skipping bridges and wrappers. This makes cross-chain operations smoother, cuts risks, and allows yield earning while expanding liquidity. Integrations with protocols like Pendle and Morpho are driving adoption, and TVL has surged past $600 million since late 2025, with SAT-USD circulation over 270 million. The recent pump has been fueled by several catalysts. Maelstrom Fund, led by BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes, announced a strategic investment on January 5th, sparking a 600% plus rally from around $3. Hayes' endorsement has drawn institutional interest. Listings have ramped up liquidity. Perps on OKX, Binance, and Bybit, plus spot on HTX just this week. Trading volumes hit peaks like 3.3 billion in perps globally, with Binance alone at nearly 2 billion. Community initiatives, including River Points farming, Season 4 airdrops, and creator contests, are boosting engagement. All this aligns with altcoin rotation in the current cycle. Speaking of OKX, check out the link below for some great rewards, 100 bucks just to verify and get started. More when you refer a friend. OKX is consistently ranked among the best exchanges in the world for trading. They've got high security, low fees, a massive amount of listings. You can't go wrong here. Check the link below. Now, looking ahead, what can we expect? Going by the data, if integrations expand, SAT-USD scales further, and staking launches in Q1, we could see a rebound to $35 to $40 in a few days to weeks as momentum rebuilds. And it's entirely plausible we see another one of these big moves upwards, possibly going into the $45 to $55 region. Over 3 to 6 months, $50 to $75 feels achievable if TVL pushes toward $1 billion and adoption keeps pace with supply, aligning FDV with comparable DeFi projects around 5 to 7 billion. Higher numbers than that are not off the table at all. This one is a grower. That said, monitor these potential risks. Volatility has been sharp, with quick dips post all-time high and heavy liquidations. Token unlocks are a big one. $50 million worth on January 22nd alone, part of ongoing linear vesting that could pressure prices if not matched by demand. Funding rates have swung negative, signaling short interest that might flip. Concentrated supply in top wallets raises manipulation flags, and a BTC pullback could amplify downsides. Keep tabs on whale transfers, TVL trends, and SAT-USD minting rates for early signals. That said, these big dips and big rips are exactly what makes for a good coin to trade. Assuming BTC doesn't fall from its current bull flag, don't be surprised if we see a pump up to all-time highs or a bit above, something like this, followed by a correction in 4 days when the unlocks happen, followed by another big pump later. Though, of course, nothing is guaranteed. It's also entirely possible that this fails to materialize, and we see further falling from here or from the next high. According to the team, there have been coordinated attacks in the form of shorts before, which raises concerns that it might happen again. This is definitely one of those risk/reward situations where we need to ask ourselves, is the potential upside worth the risk? Beyond the tech and the big name backing, River's got this whole River for Fun layer that's turning social engagement into actual on-chain rewards. Basically, you connect your X account, stake tokens, any token works for earning points daily, post content, refer people, vote on things, and you rack up River points. These points aren't just fluff, they're like time-locked call options on River tokens. The longer you hold them without converting, the better the conversion ratio gets over a 180-day window, which encourages real long-term participation instead of quick flips. It's designed to reward genuine activity, creating memes, sharing insights, building hype organically, rather than bot farms spamming for airdrops. Right now, with Season 4 or whatever the current wave is rolling, folks are farming these points hard, and conversions to River are happening with multipliers for consistent holders. That ties directly into adoption because more engaged users mean more SAT-USD being used in vaults, more liquidity flowing cross-chain, and stronger network effects. We've seen similar mechanics light up communities in other DeFi projects. Think early Pendle or EigenLayer points runs. And when they hit critical mass, it creates this flywheel of usage and price support. Looking ahead, staking is a big unlock on the roadmap for Q1 2026. You stake SAT-USD to get SAT-USD+, which is a liquid, yield-bearing version that shares in protocol revenue. No liquidation risk, flexible exits, and it funnels real DeFi yields back to holders. There are also smart vaults and prime vaults where you deposit BTC, ETH, or USDT for automated strategies across lending, staking, and more, all pulling in protocol fees with institutional-grade security options. If staking launches smoothly and TVL keeps climbing, it's already in the hundreds of millions, pushing toward higher levels with integrations on Pendle, PancakeSwap, Layerbank, and others. This could lock up a chunk of supply and add sustainable buying pressure, below for competitive fees, and that bonus. Drop a like if this breakdown was useful, subscribe for more like this, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you holding River, waiting for a better dip, or already in? Thanks for watching. Trade smart out there.